Kaleida management and union representatives worked past last night's midnight deadline to hammer out a new labor agreement. News 4's Anthony Kanji has been following this story throughout Wake Up and joins us with more reaction to the deal this noon. Anthony.
Yeah, Victoria, the more than 8,000 Kaleida workers returned to places like Buffalo General this morning and learned that they would not be voting on a strike. But so far, that's about all they've learned. Kaleida healthcare workers returned to their jobs this morning, even though many didn't know if they'd be voting on a strike when they arrived. A deal between the company and the three unions were able to reach a tentative agreement after 2:30 this morning. The deal came after nearly 4 months of negotiations, and only News 4 was there when the agreement was finalized.
After 4 long, hard months, the parties reach agreement on a new tentative agreement. And it's an agreement that we believe is fair to the employees and provides stable wages, benefits, and working conditions, but more importantly helps the Kaleida Health Organization position itself for the future.
Our unions have worked very well together. This was absolutely wonderful to get back together and work so closely with the other two unions again. But this healthcare environment was tough, but I think we have a tentative agreement that we all can be proud of.
Neither side would talk about specifics of the agreement, but it turns out we weren't the only ones. Workers I spoke with off camera tell me they still don't know what was discussed and what was lost or gained in this tentative agreement. They also tell me a ratification vote likely won't come until late July. But most importantly, the tentative deal prevents a work stoppage of a system that is already strapped for cash.
Last year, the market was down 10,000 admissions. Kaleida Health has faced $50 million in cuts and reimbursement from the state and federal government since 2007. So I think both sides looked at this as an opportunity to redefine how we deliver care, but more importantly, help cut the cost curve moving forward.
Back here live now outside Buffalo General. Now, Kaleida did announce that they will be holding a press conference later this afternoon, and we hope to shed a little bit more light on what exactly was reached in this tentative agreement. Reporting live in Buffalo, Anthony Kanji, News 4 at noon.